Welcome back, future super financial trader. This is Dr. Jamolson Pierre-Louis, and I'm excited to welcome you to part 2 of the self-paced stock trading training program. In part 1, you began building the foundation of your financial trading journey by learning what a stock truly is, how companies become publicly traded, and how the stock market operates behind the scenes. You also explored important concepts such as bid and ask prices, volume, and market capitalization, along with VWAP, OHLC, after-hours trading, beta, and much more. Now it's time to strengthen your understanding through interactive learning. Part 2 is designed to help you think like a real trader and investor by testing your knowledge. Using 25 interactive questions, answers, and explanations, these are not just random definitions. They are carefully structured to help you connect the dots between market terminology and behavior. As you move through these questions, you will begin developing the mindset and confidence needed to analyze the market more effectively. You will learn how professional traders interpret stock activity and make smarter financial decisions based on market data instead of emotions. Remember this, successful trading is not about gambling or luck. It is about education and discipline, risk management, patience, and understanding how the financial markets truly work. The more you understand the language of the market, the more powerful your decision-making becomes. Whether you plan to become a stock trader, options trader, or long-term investor, these concepts are essential. Do not rush through the material. Study each question carefully, read every explanation, and take notes. Repeat the lessons until the concepts become second nature. The markets reward preparation and consistency. At Super Financial Trader Inc., our mission is to help transform ordinary individuals into confident traders who understand how to navigate the markets with intelligence and strategy. Get ready to sharpen your skills and continue building the foundation that can change your financial future. Let's begin part 2, 25 interactive questions, answers, and explanations. 1. What is a stock in plain English? Answer: a stock is a small ownership piece of a company. When you buy a share, you become a partial owner. If the company grows, your share increases in value. 2. If SFT rises from 150 to 160, what happened? Answer: the stock increased by $10 per share. 3. What happens if a stock falls from 150 to 140? Answer: the investment loses value. 4. What does IPO stand for? Answer: initial public offering, the first time shares are sold to the public. 5. Why do companies go public? Answer: to raise money for growth and expansion. 6. What are investment banks? Firms that help sell shares. 7. Name 2 exchanges, NYSE and NASDAQ. 8. What is a ticker symbol, a short code like SFT? 9. Last price, recent trade. 10. Bid price, highest buyer price. 11. Ask price, lowest seller price. 12. Spread, ask price minus bid price. A smaller spread means better liquidity. 13. Volume, total shares traded. 14. High volume confirms interest. 15. VWAP, volume weighted average price. 16. OHLC, open, high, low, and close. 17. Today close, final regular session price. 18. After hours, trading after close. 19. Limit orders, control execution. 20. Previous close, yesterday's price. 21. Open above close, bullish sentiment. 22. Days range, high and low of the day. 23. 52-week range, high low for the year. 24. Market cap, total company value. 25. Beta, volatility compared to the market. Beta of 1 moves with the market. Bonus challenge. Scenario: SFT has bid 149.95 and asked 150.05. Volume is very high. Price closes near the day's high. What does this suggest? Answer: bullish market strength and continued momentum. I believe in you. Let's do it together. I am excited to see your progress as we continue this journey to mastery. Keep studying and stay disciplined. See you in the next session.